Hi, and welcome to another video on HD Movie Maker Pro by the Peppy Techie. Today I'm going to talk about file management. So to get started, let's talk about where your files are stored in HD Movie Maker and how they are deleted as you continue through your projects. So let's look at Manage Projects. Now I have two little videos here. One is a tulip and the other is the ocean drone video. I'm going to just click here in the tulip video and let's add some clips quickly. So here's a bunch of clips that I've added. I'm going to save this project again. I'm not going to save a copy. When we go back to the beginning, you always have your most recent project because it'll automatically bring up whatever you worked on last. Under Manage Projects, it keeps a list of those two projects and the files that you have saved. Where are they? This little gear tells you where your home folder is. HD Movie Maker puts it in your Videos folder under HD Movie Maker. You have three folders: Autosave, Data, and Projects. The projects are small folders, for example, tulips, local cache, and these are images that point to your data files. So here's all the actual data files. To make you understand that a little bit better, let's go to the project where the ocean drone is. Go to local cache. These are all videos in the actual video, but these are just JPEGs of the clips. When I come back to the data, these are the actual very large files that are stored by HD Movie Maker. And we're going to come back. And the key here is if you delete a project, those files may stick around for a while. So it's important to know how to really get rid of them if you need them to go away quickly and you've made a really large video project. So under Manage Project, I'm going to come to Tulips and I'm going to delete. This is the project. Now I'm going to go back. If I say Recent Project, it opens up the tulips because it's saved not only as your recent project, even though you just deleted it, those data files were still there. So when I come to projects, tulips is actually gone, but the data files had remained. Now don't worry, they'll still go away, and I'm going to show you how. We're going to come back here. I'm not going to save the project. I'm going to come back. No, I don't want to save any changes. So again, that project is still gone. I'm going to come here, Manage Project, and I'm going to open up my drone video. Save this project, and I'm actually going to close HD Movie Maker. I'm going to ask it to refresh the file. So I right-clicked on this, and I said refresh. When I come back into data, notice the tulips are all gone. The projects only include the ocean drone because I deleted it, and no longer, when I come in here, my most recent project is the ocean drone video. So now it has cleaned up my project. So again, if you want to clean up your projects, you would delete them here by clicking on it. You can use the delete key or you can use delete down here. If it's your only video, it will not delete those files until you create a new project, add your clips, save that as a project, and then that will be your most recent project that will delete those files for you. I hope this was helpful. I hope it helps you understand where your folders are in HD Movie Maker. Really hope that you like this video. Please smash the like button if it was helpful. Also, leave a comment down below. I get a lot of ideas on videos from my viewers. And please join me here at the Peppy Techie channel by subscribing. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll subscribe to the Peppy Techie channel. Please make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make a new video. And leave your comments down below. Your questions, your thoughts, even your advice is much appreciated. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching the Peppy Techie channel.